My name is Jonathan Lindo, and I'm VP of Enterprise Mobility here at CA Technologies. And what I'd like to talk to you about today is CA's Mobile Application Management, or MAM. So enterprises today are really trying to enable mobility for their employees and for their teams. And this is a great thing because it really provides three key benefits to enterprises. Number one is it really increases employee satisfaction when they can use their own devices or corporate-owned devices to access what they need when they need it, wherever they may be. Number two, in the case of bring your own device policies, it really helps reduce costs in terms of deploying and managing devices for the enterprise. But most importantly, the third benefit is it allows productivity to really flourish by, again, enabling our teams and our employees to access the data they need, where they need it, when they need it. So all these are great, but it's not all blue skies. Bring your own device or BYOD policies today, while they're great for enterprises, they really do introduce some significant new challenges. For example, how do we protect our corporate assets and data while still empowering our teams? We have a need now for finer-grained access control on those apps and on the data that we're making available to our teams, while we still have to respect the privacy of the personal content and data and make sure that there's a separation between the personal and the enterprise apps and content that may be on a device. So CA is tackling these challenges head-on. As the fifth largest software vendor in the world, we're really bringing all of our experience in IT management and security to bear on this problem. And we're doing it with a very unique and innovative technology called Smart Containerization. So mobile application management is powered by Smart Containerization, which is a technology built from the ground up here at CA. And we're really excited about this technology. It's a very robust and secure technology, and we believe that it's the best technology of its kind in the marketplace today. And what it does is it enables security, control, and manageability of the enterprise mobile applications and data that we're making available to the enterprise today. It helps us extend IT's reach out to the mobile devices and applications without compromising the privacy of the devices themselves and the personal content that might be on those devices. So CA has brought to market a suite of technologies to address the challenges of enterprise mobility. Number one is our mobile device management, or MDM solution. We then move up the stack to our mobile application management solution. And then we have our content and email management solutions, which together form a very comprehensive suite of technologies which really enable IT to deal with the challenges. So MAM, or Mobile Application Management, fundamentally allows us to apply very fine-grained access control or security policies on the enterprise applications that we make available. And it does this using Smart Containerization, which is enabled using application wrapping. What this does is a number of things. First is it allows us to control who can access certain applications. We can limit the distribution of those applications, force authentication or multi-factor authentication, or even enable single sign-on for those applications that are deployed to the device. In addition, we can secure what those apps are allowed to access on the device, such as your email, your contacts, your photos, or the camera itself. In addition, we can also control when and where these applications are accessed. We can apply policies which define things like geofencing, time fencing, or even network fencing, which define where we can run these applications, what times of day or what days of the week or days of the month. In addition, which networks are we running on? Are we running on a public Wi-Fi? Are we on a VPN? And define policies which are related to where I'm running that application from. In addition, we can also define how these applications are accessing data. We can apply additional layers of encryption to the data at rest or in flight, or even require a VPN before we run that application. Lastly, the mobile application management allows us to manage these applications remotely. We can force updates, we can lock applications, or even selectively wipe data or apps off the device should the needs arise as a result of a lost device or a stolen device. If an employee leaves the organization, we can also selectively remove just the enterprise content and data without touching the personal content on the device. So what this allows us to do is have a very dynamic and real-time set of policies that can be pushed out to these devices without requiring any changes or updates to the device or the applications themselves. Now we have the detailed reporting and analytics on the back end, which allows IT and the security team to monitor and ensure compliance as well as detect violations. So let me give you an example of one of our large customers. This is a large enterprise customer with several thousand employees, and they're facing a real challenge. They want to enable their sales force to be able to access the customer data from their iPads. So they've deployed out iPads as well as Salesforce.com as an app which runs on these iPads. But they're very concerned about data leakage should a device be lost or stolen or accessed unintentionally. So the solution to this is to apply smart containerization with app wrapping on the Salesforce.com app. What they've been able to do is actually put an additional layer of multi-factor authentication based on where the application is running from, and as well restrict things such as cut and paste, the ability to open documents from Salesforce and other applications, or even email data from Salesforce out to another email account somewhere in the world. And this allows us to really restrict and cut down on data leakage and make sure that that Salesforce data is maintained securely within the smart container placed around that app. And here's the best part. To use this technology, we make it extremely easy. Smart containerization is enabled with our proprietary app wrapping technology that takes just seconds to enable and manage any internally built application or a third-party application. So this can be your internal corporate directory, your finance or your HR applications, or any third-party app that's used for employee productivity such as Box or Salesforce.com or Evernote, for example. So if securing mobile applications is important to your organizations, we would love for you to have a look at CA's mobile app management solution. It's available to try for free, and you can get up and running in just a few minutes. It's a very lightweight process that doesn't require any servers to be installed. And you can really experience the powerful features yourself on your own mobile device and see the benefits of enabling security, control, and manageability for your enterprise applications. Thanks very much.